Hey guys, Justin Labato here inside of the Autogeek Show Car Garage, answering some of the most frequently asked questions. And one of them that really strikes me is, how profitable is a car detailing business? Well, it's kind of a loaded question. However, it's all a matter of how much you put into it as an individual. In order to scale that, you don't know that right out the gate, just like any business. First and foremost, when getting involved in the detail industry, is understanding your market and how to speak to the clients in your market. And then from there, making sure that it's not an oversaturated market, so there's room there to grow. And then once you figure that out, then you can move forward with going in and figuring out if you consult with the right people to figure out if you need an LLC or need to do an S Corp, get that established. Of course, figure out a name. Be fancy, be simple, whatever it may be, come up with a good, solid name, of course, that isn't duplicating something already that's in your market. And then getting insurance. You gotta have insurance. Cover your butt and get insurance. And then from there, then you align yourself with good brands, good products, good manufacturers overall that could support the level of detailing that you're trying to provide, whether it be production, whether it be premium, high-end, whether you're keeping it simple and just doing the maintenance stuff, or diving into the more in-depth correction, ceramic coating kind of approach. Either way, once you figure all that formula out, that will allow you to understand what the potential and profitability can be. And all of that will come from you. And that all starts with you. How much are you gonna invest in your education? How much are you gonna invest into continued education with going to events, going to trainings? All those things will give you the best return on your investment. So if you're wanting to be profitable and scale the profitability, get yourself aligned with doing all the right steps in order, and education. Education is key to help make you more successful, and just grind it out. You're gonna have some slow months, you're gonna have some slow weeks, but keep your head up and know that at the end of the tunnel, there is light, and you can be successful and you can be very profitable. So I hope that helps in regards to starting a detail business and understanding how profitable it can be.